Replacing the battery in your Mercedes GLC 300 key fob is a simple DIY task. The GLC 300 uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a clean workspace. Prices for the battery range from $1 to $3 and are available at most stores. Make sure your vehicle is locked before you begin. Ensure your workspace is clean and dry to prevent static discharge. First, insert the key blade into the slot on the side of the fob and gently twist to separate the halves. Some models may have a small Phillips head screw that needs to be removed. Use your pry tool to pop out the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob halves back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle and verifying the range of 30 to 50 feet. Reprogramming is rarely needed, but if your fob does not work after replacing the battery, enter the vehicle with the mechanical key and cycle the ignition to sync. Battery life is typically 1 to 2 years depending on use. If you encounter corrosion, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol.